Holy smokes, guys. Talk about another rocky day for the stock market on top of what we saw yesterday, right? Yesterday was a bloodbath, and today was a bit better, but still very rocky. So we have to break down what's going on with Palantir and some other stocks later in the video. So, guys, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and do not forget to get up to 20 stocks from Moomoo with at least a $100 deposit. Just use that link down below, or simply go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo. Again, with a $100 deposit, you can get up to 20 free stocks, which is exclusive to this channel, guys. And your uninvested cash for a limited time to make things better will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, that's a no-brainer. So use that link down below, or again, go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. Let's break down what's going on with PLTR and the entire stock market, plus some other stocks, because again, this thing has been all over the place, right? So Palantir ended up going up 3 cents, a whopping 3 cents on the day. It would have been up even more, but the entire stock market dumped in the last hour or two, which we'll get to later. So Palantir went up 3 cents, up 0.1% on the day. And guys, I'd consider that a W, considering in the morning we were down to the mid 25s. You heard that right. We hit $25.42 at the low. You guys can see that. And let me actually get some water. Cheers, by the way, guys. Stay hydrated. So we hit that point in the morning, and then we rallied aggressively, right? We got up to about $27.30. So that's a big move of around 7.5% intraday there. Then we kind of drifted off into close. So I'd consider this a W, although we did take out the lows from yesterday by almost $1, guys. So yesterday we hit a low at close at $26.38. And then we got down to $25.40. So we dumped by another $1 in the morning, and then we recovered nicely, but still ended off the day on a downswing. So the big resistance coming up on Palantir is right at $28 and about 15 to 50 cents. You guys can see right here. So this general range is a big resistance coming up in the very short term, right? So if you're a long-term investor, even if you are a long-term investor, this might still be relevant because, let's be honest, I'm a long-term investor and I watch Palantir stock every day. I'm breaking down the charts every day, so I care. I know a lot of you guys out there care as well. So look, this is a big level of resistance at about 28.15 to 50, that general range, because that was support a week ago. The day after that, Friday, we can see Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Then Wednesday, we blew right through it. That was yesterday. So now we're noticing a bit of selling pressure right here, which obviously if you're a bull in the short term, long term, whatever, you want to see that break, right? Which we'll see. Maybe at some point tomorrow, next week, we take that out. But ideally here, Palantir in the short term retakes 28, preferably 28.50. And we'll see where it goes from there. But that'd be ideal for the bulls. And I'll set my alert there at 28.50 right now. Mark is at or above. And we'll see what it ends up doing in the short term, right? Again, this thing's been all over the place. We hit the mid-25s this morning. And as you pull the layers back, you'll notice, all right, on the 20-day chart, yes, we've been all over the place, chopping around. We have sold off a good chunk over the last couple of days. But on the 4-hour chart, guys, the bulls are still in charge, and there's nobody really denying that, right? We're actually down a good chunk now from the highs, and this is actually a good setup into earnings. Like I was saying in my video yesterday, this could be setting us up for a catapult to the upside, after earnings, if they do very well, considering how oversold we are right now. So PLTR, it's testing a big level of support now, which it actually held this morning. We held 25.40 this morning. You guys will notice here in February, that was kind of resistance, the mid-25s. Same with early March, right? Into end of March. We can see even in the beginning of May, even in the end of June, we were failing in the mid-25s. So the fact that we held that point today, buyers came in the morning, We bounced off the 180 SMA on the 4-hour chart here, which is right at about 25.50. These are good signs that the bulls are buying up the stock in the mid-20s. They don't want to see it go under mid-20s, and we're getting the buying pressure, right? But again, we did dump off into close, so that is one thing worth monitoring. Do we go under 25 or 26 again tomorrow? That wouldn't be ideal. So we'll do another video. We'll cover it tomorrow. Don't you worry, guys. So make sure to subscribe. And oh, by the way, before I forget, I made an email list. I'm sending my top 3 stocks to everybody that subscribes. Link down below. It's completely free. All you have to do is put your first name and your email. I'm sending my top 3 stocks every single Monday in the pre-market, guys, again, for free. So make sure you all sign up to that. Very, very important if you guys want that update every Monday morning. So check that out. Link down below. And yeah, Palantir, man, keep your eyes on it. We're at a very pivotal spot right now. I'm excited. Obviously, I'm long. I own the stock, and I didn't buy any more yet on this dip. Maybe if it comes down a bit more, I will. But for now, I'm just holding on. There's nothing wrong with holding, right? That's what you do most of the time, right? You just hold on to the stock, and that's what we're doing today, at least for me. So what are you guys doing? Let me know in the comments. And some other big movers that we saw today, guys. We saw a lot of big tech recover a bit earlier in the day. Obviously, that fizzled out. But Tesla actually held 2% gains today, guys. TSLA is the ticker for those that didn't know. Obviously, all you guys know that. We can see buyers are continuing to come in post-earnings above this big level of resistance, which was resistance, now support at about 208 to 210. That's a good sign. I mean, you guys can see this was resistance for months, so we're getting the buying pressure there, which I'm liking, right? And we can see here, we did get a nice pop in the morning, but like Palantir, Tesla did drift off into close. We'll see how that ends up panning out, but I'm not too excited about Tesla yet, the stock. I think it does have to come down a bit more. Like I've said in recent videos, I'd buy it probably in the 150s to 120s to hundreds, right? Low hundreds would be ideal for me. So I'm going to wait. But as a trade, we'll monitor it here above 205, 210 as it is holding that point, which is good news for the bulls, guys. Let me see. CRM. All right. Salesforce had another good day, which, oh yeah, look at that. Inverse head and shoulders played out on Salesforce. Now we're getting up to where we were a couple weeks ago, early July at about 265, right? Which we got rejected there earlier today. Now we're at 256. But if Salesforce can retake 265, I'll set my alert there right now. Let me do that. 265. This could really start gaining momentum and start breaking out again, man. This thing is slowly breaking out, but the full breakout would be above 265, which, mind you, this held as support all throughout, the middle of, what is this, April into May, right? Middle of May, early June even almost, we held as support. So we broke through it, became resistance, right? Now if that retakes, man, we could be going high 200s, no doubt, maybe 285, 288. That's kind of where we peaked in the middle of May. So watch out for CRM, Salesforce. I'm looking at it for potentially more upside. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I don't want to drag it on too much. That's it. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments. Smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and get your free stocks from Moomoo, which this offer is exclusive to this channel, guys. Up to 20 stocks with at least a $100 deposit, and your uninvested cash in the short term will get up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, use that link down below. It's a no-brainer. Or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And, of course, that is an affiliate link. If you want to help out the channel directly, that's how you do it. And you get more free stock or, money for doing it. So it's a win-win, right? You get free stocks. So you might as well do it. Again, link down below. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you all in the next video.